Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Today we are taking the train to Venice.
I'm going to show you how.
All right, let's do it.
There are two main routes that take you to Venice. First one starts in Naples and goes to Rome, Florence, Bologna, and ends in Venice. The second one starts in Torino and goes to Milan and ends in Venice. We started in Modena and connected in Bologna to get to Venice.
To buy your ticket, you can visit our website traveladdictslife.com/trains. If you don't buy your ticket online, this is another way to buy your ticket from these machines. So this is how you can find your track. You look for your train number, your destination, and your platform. One thing you have to be sure when you're looking for your train is to look for the departure train. Because there's some like this one. Because the arrival, and you won't be able to find your train here. And remember to validate your ticket before getting on the train. On most local and commuters train, you do not have a seat assigned.
Hi everyone.
We are on the train.
We just left Modena and we are headed to the Bologna Centrale Station.
Yeah, or we change our train to Venice, to an high-speed train to Venice.
Exactly. Cheers.
Cheers. You can locate your track number here.
And here we are, platform 17.
On high-speed trains, your seat is assigned. Check your coach number and check your seat number. Remember, there are two train stations for Venice, Venezia Mestre and Venezia Santa Lucia. The one right on the Grand Canal is Venezia Santa Lucia.
And we've arrived at Santa Lucia Station.
Right on the Grand Canal.
And take a look what's behind us. Look how beautiful that is.
Just outside the train station you can find the Vaporetto station to start your exploration of Venice. Enjoy! Cheers to that!